The world of mini PCs, it's a market that's rapidly growing, and for good reason. Did you know that the global mini PC market is expected to reach over $3.5 billion by 2028? I know what you're thinking, mini PC sounds like a small novelty item, but trust me, these tiny powerhouses are becoming increasingly popular. They're perfect for those who need a compact, energy-efficient computer for their garage, home office, or even as a secondary device for playing some of your favorite console games. Whether you're a content creator, a gamer, or simply someone who wants a reliable computer that won't take up too much space, mini PCs are definitely worth considering. And that's why I'm excited to share my thoughts on the Beelink SER9 Max Mini PC, a device that I've had the chance to try out recently. But before I dive into the details, just a quick note: if you want to check out the product details on Amazon, the link is in the description. So, let's talk about the Beelink SER9 Max Mini PC. This thing packs some serious punch, with an AMD Ryzen 7H255 processor, 8 cores, 16 threads, and a clock speed of up to 4.9 GHz. But let's not get too caught up in the tech specs just yet. What really matters is how this device performs in real-world scenarios. For instance, with this mini PC, I can confidently expect seamless video editing, even with multiple 4K projects running simultaneously. The integrated AMD Radeon 780M 12-core GPU is a beast, delivering smooth performance for gaming and graphics-intensive tasks. One of the things that really impressed me about the Beelink SER9 Max is its ability to handle demanding tasks with ease. I've tried running multiple resource-intensive applications at the same time, and this mini PC can handle it without breaking a sweat. Plus, with 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, I can juggle multiple applications without any lag. And with that 1TB M.2 NVMe SSD, loading times are lightning fast. Whether I'm working on a project, playing a game, or just browsing the web, this device is always responsive and always ready to go. But what really sets the Beelink SER9 Max apart is its connectivity options. For starters, it can handle up to 4 4K monitors at 240 Hz, making it perfect for productivity, multitasking, or even as a secondary gaming station. I've tried connecting multiple displays, and the results are stunning. The image quality is crisp and clear, and the device can handle it all without any issues. Of course, with the USB 4 port, I can transfer files at speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second, which is incredibly fast. And with the built-in 10 gigabits per second Ethernet port, I can get a reliable, fast connection to my router. Plus, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, I'm covered for wireless connectivity. Another feature that I really appreciate about the Beelink SER9 Max is its design. It's designed for silence, so it's perfect for working or gaming in the evening without disturbing family members. The device is also incredibly compact, making it easy to place on any desk or shelf. And with its premium metallic finish, it looks sleek and modern. It's definitely a device that you'll be proud to show off. But what about the company behind the device? Beelink is a company that's clearly committed to R&D, and it shows in the quality of their products. They've got a dedicated team that's always working to improve and innovate, and they offer a comprehensive after-sales service plan. This gives me peace of mind, knowing that I've got support if I need it. Now, I know some of you might be thinking about the potential downsides, so let me quickly mention a couple of things I'm not entirely sold on. First, I've noticed the mini PC can get a bit warm during prolonged gaming sessions or when handling demanding tasks, which might be a concern for some users. This is something to be aware of, especially if you plan on using the device for extended periods of time. Also, while the built-in speakers are perfectly fine for general use, they won't particularly blow you away, so you might still want to invest in a dedicated audio setup if you're an audiophile. Despite these minor quibbles, I'm seriously impressed with the Beelink SER9 Max Mini PC. It's a fantastic choice for anyone in need of a robust, energy-efficient, and space-saving computer that can handle everything from productivity tasks to gaming and graphics work. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who wants a reliable computer that won't take up too much space, this device is definitely worth considering. In terms of value, I think the Beelink SER9 Max is a great investment. It's a device that's built to last, with high-quality components and a robust design. And with its compact size and energy-efficient performance, it's a great choice for anyone who wants to reduce their environmental impact. Plus, with its comprehensive connectivity options and fast performance, it's a device that can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. In conclusion, the Beelink SER9 Max Mini PC is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a compact, powerful, and feature-rich computer. Its impressive specs, real-world performance, and sleek design make it a compelling option for a wide range of users. And with its competitive pricing and comprehensive after-sales service plan, it's a great value proposition. In case you want to get your hands on this amazing mini PC, the link's in the description below. Thanks for watching.